Greetings YouTube. Today's video is once again about my 3D printed building. I'm calling this the pet store. You can download this on Thingiverse. I will put a link below. This is pretty much the final version. So this has been up on Thingiverse for quite some time. I did add a new version 2.0. Everything is exactly like this, except I made the building just a little bit taller. It's 3 bricks taller. So if you think this looks good, this is the original version. If you think it's a little bit too short and you want a building that's a tiny amount taller, all the windows are in the same spot. As far as the windows are the same distance from the ground, it's just there's 3 extra rows of bricks above everything, so everything's a little bit taller. So for printing, there are 3 main pieces. This is this prints all as one piece here. This is the main building. This prints all as one piece. Except for like the windows and the doors, that's part of the detail parts. This is the second main piece. This is the second floor. It just prints as one piece. I've added all these little details in here. And then the top prints as one piece. And for the detail parts, each of all the windows, the doors, all print as separate parts, and then they go in from the inside. So those glue in from the inside. So I have detailed up the interior here a little bit with some shelves and some little people. I didn't do a lot of detailing back here. I didn't do a lot of detailing back here towards the back because I don't think you'll be able to see that. I mean, the angle you'll be looking in the window will be, you won't be able to get it really down like that. It'll be pretty much like this. Now, these little shelves that I made, so I actually wrote up, oops, they're upside down. So these little shelves that I made, these actually print in 5 colors, kind of like that. That's how they look when they come right off the printer. And then I actually went in with pens, paint pens, and Sharpies and kind of did some detailing in there. I mean, if you look at it really close up, it doesn't look very great. But at a distance and at an angle, how you're going to be seeing it, like that, I think it looks passable for stuff on shelves. So for the upstairs, I kind of detailed this out. This is the back, the bedroom, and then the front. Once again, I didn't bother detailing too much at the back here because you're not going to really be able to see it. But like for these little pictures and stuff, all I did was I went through my recycling and I just cut out pictures of photographs. And, it looks like I think this was part of a box or something. I think this was too. And just print out something that looked artistically reasonable. And yeah. So I didn't get too crazy on the lighting. I just put lights downstairs and just this one light upstairs. So something I'm not so sure about is this awning. Better with? Is it better with the awning or better without? I can't decide.